Hello everyone, this is Voltaire from Taiwan. Today we are going to talk about something really important during the pandemic. That is mask. That's right, we are going to talk about mask today. Before COVID-19 happened, mask has been Taiwanese culture already. People here usually wear masks when they don't feel well, they got a cold or they got a flu, so they can protect themselves and they can also protect others. But when do you put your mask when you're not wearing them? A lot of people just throw it in your pocket. I don't think that's a really good idea since it just gets dirtier in your pocket. So today I'm going to show you how to make a small and cute mask holder that you can put your mask in so you can keep it clean and tidy. So without further ado, let's get started.
Alright, let's see the tools we need today. You might need a marker, a small knife, and a scissor. Then you can pick a folder you like, no matter what kind of pattern it is, just pick the one you like. We are going to use it as our main body of the mask holder. Then cut the L folder into half, tear it apart. We only need one side of it. Then cut out a rectangle around 19 times 12 centimeters. Here the rulers and marker comes handy. Just mark out the rectangle and then you can cut it out. So after COVID-19 happened, we all realized that masks are important. But remember, you have to change your mask regularly. You cannot just wear an old mask all the time. That's kind of unsanitized as well. So remember to change your mask regularly. However, the mask holder we are using today is for you that when you cannot change a new mask immediately, you can put your old mask in the mask holder. Now we got our big rectangle. And now we are going to cut 4 small rectangles of 0.5 times 1.5 centimeters at 4 corners of the big rectangle. And by the way, remember to keep around 1 centimeter between the small rectangles and the edge so they won't crack when you are folding it. After you mark out the 4 small rectangles, just cut it. And in some part, the scissors might not be so useful, so here comes the small knives. You can cut the edges or the small lines that is not easy to cut with scissors. Okay, now we have the anchor corner for our mask. Then we fold it on the both sides, so you will get a cross line in the center of the plastic. You can use your tools to help you press it a little bit so it can be more tightly folded. To make a space for the mask in our mask holder, we will fold another line on the short side. Remember to keep it 1 centimeter below the edge so we can create some space. Then we are going to cut a medium rectangles in the middle. Just directly follow the lines we just folded. There will be 3 lines in the middle of the plastic. And ta-da! That's it. Now put your mask in and fold it into half and fold it again. And use the band to hold your mask tightly. That's it.
Wow, that was pretty easy, right? So remember to stay healthy and stay safe. Keep your mask in the right place. If you like this video today, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it to all your friends that need a mask holder. Have a great one. Goodbye.